look at, what is this? Oh. Well, it's not making much of a fuss. But that, I believe, is a Warmouth. Wow. All right, let me. I'm trying to video this and hold the phone at the same time. It's has not been easy. So, man, I haven't caught a Warmouth in a while. Ouch! Oh, he got me with his fins. Okay, let me see. Here we go. There. This is not easy to do with one hand. Anyway, I got it. Isn't that pretty? Gosh darn, man. I just, look at the size of that mouth on those things. And they're good to eat too. I'm not going to keep this one, but I just wasn't prepared to, I just don't want to keep any. Sorry about this. All this, whatever you want to call it. It's not the best video footage in the world, but under the circumstances of another GoPro goof, I tell you what, I've had more problems with GoPros. I'm thinking about getting one of those, Jesus, I'm thinking about getting one of those head-mounted deals. Ouch! Ooh, the kind that I have for GoPro, only for my iPhone. I've got a chesty strap, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the head deal. So let me get this thing back in the water. That was an awesome catch, but I wished I could have got it with the GoPro. It would have been a lot easier, but like I said, the thing died on me, and I don't know if it's the battery or the memory. It wasn't the memory card. It must have been the battery. I don't know.